Hello Lemon fam, today I'm sharing a recipe that's born from my two biggest dessert obsessions. It's fudgy like a brownie but soft like a cake. Get ready for the most addictive fudgy brownie cake you'll ever try, and yes, it might become your new chocolate addiction. Let's start the recipe. Grease an 8 by 8 inch cake tin with butter. Line it with butter paper. This is the best time to preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, add unsweetened cocoa powder. Pour in melted butter. Mix well and set it aside for later. In another bowl, crack 3 eggs, add granulated sugar, beat them until the mixture turns light and fluffy. Now add butter mixture and vanilla essence. Beat for 1 minute or until well combined. Sieve in all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix gently using a spatula. Now add milk. Mix in a cup, dissolve coffee in hot water, stir it well, carefully add this into the batter and mix it in. Transfer the batter into your prepared cake tin, bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While it's baking, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and leave your feedback in the comments. Your feedback means a lot. Our cake is baked, let it rest for 5 minutes, then place it on a wire rack. Let it cool completely at room temperature. For ganache, take your favorite chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate, pour heavy cream over it. Microwave until smooth. Now add a little butter for that extra shine. Mix and let it cool slightly. Once the cake is completely cool, cut it into 9 square pieces, just like brownies. Spread ganache generously on top of each piece. Look at this! I'm a true chocolate lover and I just can't resist. Soft, moist, chocolatey. It's everything I wanted. It's so good. I think I'm officially obsessed with this fudgy brownie cake. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Lemon. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.